Hi, this is Mark from Wiki Design. In this Elementor tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play a video on a mouse hover like this. This can be a really handy trick if you want to have more interaction on your web page. This tutorial isn't going to cover how to do this effect with third-party video platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. You will need to upload your own MP4 file like this to pull off this effect. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to create a future video on how to do this using YouTube videos. Here we are on the back end of this Elementor page, so let me show you exactly how I was able to pull this off with just this little bit of code. So to do this, what you need to do is pull in the HTML widget, so I already did that right here, and you can just copy and paste this code, and all of this is going to be in the link in the description below, and you just need to change out a few different things and you'll be good to go. So the very first thing is you'll notice that this is a video tag, which is an HTML tag, and then there's a source tag right here. So this is all just regular HTML code. There's no JavaScript or anything advanced like that. So this is going to work really well across all the different browsers. And the really good thing about this feature is this is going to be fully responsive. So if I start going into tablet or mobile, you can see that the video is going to scale down correctly because it's filling up the width of this whole container right here. So let me close that back down. And if you just want to copy this code, you only need to change out one thing, and that's this right here. So in the beginning of the tutorial, I told you you will need your own MP4. So this MP4 is this right here. So you can see it's just a boat on the lake here, and there's no audio. I'm going to cover that in the next step, but in most cases, if you're going to pull off this effect, you want to do this with no audio. So you can see right here, this is just an MP4. And you just paste that in there, and that's it. You just hit save, and you don't have to change any of these other settings. This is the bare minimum to make this work. So once you hit update, this is how it's going to work on the front end. As soon as the user goes into it, it's going to start to play, and then when they leave, it just will restart. So user comes in and leaves. Now, like I just mentioned, you can do this with audio, but you will run into some issues with different browsers like Firefox and Safari. This is because they do not allow you to autoplay videos, so you might run into some issues there. So here's an example right here. If I hover over this next one, you're going to hear a little bit of audio.
Here's how to upload a site icon in WordPress.
So you can see it's just a video that Barbara did where she just has a voiceover, and we have it going through different steps right here. Now, the code is exactly the same as before, so let me go into Elementor right here, and you can see that this is the same thing. There's the MP4, and everything is exactly the same. And like I said before, this is what's good about this. So you can see right here, I'm scaling, and it's working as a fully responsive video. Now, let's go ahead and say you do want this to autoplay on different iOS devices or anything like that. There will be different code if you want to really target mobile, but I would say in most use cases, it's probably best to just pull this effect off just on desktop and then maybe just show a regular video player on mobile. That would be what I would do, but in this next step, I'm going to show you the code's a little bit different if you want to have it where it will play nice on iOS devices and things like that. And this is the code you can use if you want to make sure that this will play correctly on iOS devices and maybe Firefox. There's a few different things that you need to add to make this work. The first thing is you need to make sure that this right here says muted. So this is going to mute the audio by default. This needs to be in here for iOS. This is plays inline, so this makes sure that it plays. For some reason on Safari, this is just like a Safari thing. And then if you look right here, this is poster equals, and then there's a JPEG. So I just have it go to this JPEG right here, and you can see that's the very first slide. So poster is kind of like the fallback whenever there's no video playing. The browser needs to show something. And so the user can technically just click that, and then it will play the video on iOS devices. And then down here, everything else is the same. This is just the video source equals that MP4. And now let's go into the browser and show you what it looks like if you're using it like an iOS device. And this is what it's going to look like on an iOS device. So you can see right here, I'm just in Safari. I'm doing an iPhone X simulation here, and you can see I just click that, and you're not going to notice anything happens, but it will change right here. That's because I have it muted, and you can't hear it, of course. So like I said, in most cases, this is probably most useful effect for desktop, and I think better scenario rather than doing this custom code right here for mobile devices is just turn off these, like go into here and go to advanced and then go into responsive. and then just like disable this on mobile and on tablet. That's what I would do, and then just below it show like a regular video playing. But that's it for this tutorial, very short tutorial. It's a cool effect, and let me know if you're able to use this on your website. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit that bell to receive notifications when I release new Elementor tutorials like this. Again, this is Mark from Wiki Design.